What if I told you that bamboo is not the fastest way to create a green privacy fence around your home? Most gardeners plant bamboo because they believe it grows the quickest and can create instant privacy. The idea of tall green walls forming naturally in the garden sounds perfect. But many people later realize that bamboo can become difficult to control. It spreads aggressively, takes over space, and sometimes creates more problems than solutions. But here's the interesting part. There are several plants that can grow just as fast as bamboo, and some even grow faster while being much easier to manage. These plants can form thick, beautiful living fences that give you privacy, reduce noise, block wind, and make your yard look more natural and peaceful. Some of these plants grow several feet in a single year. Others stay green throughout all seasons, so your privacy fence remains full and dense even in winter. And the best part is that many of them require far less maintenance than bamboo. In this video, I'm going to show you 13 amazing green fence plants that grow faster than bamboo and can completely transform the look of your garden. Whether you want a tall privacy wall, a decorative hedge, or a natural boundary around your property, these plants can help you create it much faster than you might expect. Make sure you watch until the end, because some of the last plants on this list are incredibly fast growers that most gardeners overlook, yet they can create one of the quickest and most beautiful living fences you can grow. Let's start with the first plant. 1. Hedge privet hedge is one of the fastest and easiest plants for creating a natural green fence. Many homeowners choose it because it grows quickly and becomes dense within a short time. Under good conditions, privet can grow 2 to 3 feet every year, allowing you to build privacy faster than most traditional hedges. The leaves grow thickly along the branches, forming a solid wall that blocks views from neighbors and roads. Another advantage is how easily privet can be shaped. You can trim it into a clean, formal hedge or allow it to grow naturally for a softer garden look. It also adapts well to different soil types and tolerates both full sun and partial shade. With regular trimming and watering during early growth, privet quickly transforms open spaces into a beautiful living fence. 2. Leyland cypress is famous for creating tall privacy screens in record time. This evergreen tree grows extremely fast, often reaching 3 to 4 feet of new growth each year. Because it stays green throughout the year, it provides constant privacy instead of losing leaves during winter. When planted in a straight row, Leyland cypress forms a smooth, uniform wall of greenery that looks professional and elegant. It is commonly used along property boundaries where homeowners want quick coverage without waiting many years. The soft needle-like foliage also helps reduce wind and outside noise. This tree prefers full sunlight and well-drained soil, but once established, it becomes relatively low maintenance. With proper spacing and occasional watering, Leyland cypress can turn an exposed yard into a private green sanctuary surprisingly fast. 3. Clumping bamboo. Not all bamboo behaves the same way. Clumping bamboo is a safer and more controlled alternative to running bamboo, making it ideal for garden fences. Instead of spreading aggressively underground, it grows in tight clusters, allowing you to enjoy bamboo's fast growth without losing control of your garden. Clumping bamboo grows tall and upright, creating a modern and elegant green screen. The dense leaves provide excellent privacy while also adding movement and calming sound when wind passes through the stems. Many gardeners love its tropical appearance, which instantly upgrades outdoor spaces. It grows best in warm climates with regular watering during early stages. Once established, it becomes surprisingly resilient. If you want the beauty and speed of bamboo without invasive problems, clumping bamboo is one of the smartest choices. 4. Green giant arborvitae is one of the most reliable, fast-growing privacy trees available today. This evergreen can grow 3 to 5 feet per year under ideal conditions, making it perfect for homeowners who want quick results. Its tall, narrow shape allows it to fit neatly along fences or property lines without taking too much space. The foliage stays thick and green throughout the year, ensuring continuous privacy regardless of season. Another major benefit is its resistance to many common pests and diseases, which makes maintenance easier compared to the other hedge plants. Once established, it requires minimal care besides occasional watering during dry periods. 5. The red tip Photinia stands out because it combines fast growth with beautiful color. New leaves emerge bright red before slowly turning deep green, creating a striking contrast that makes your fence visually interesting throughout the year. This shrub grows quickly and becomes dense when trimmed regularly, making it excellent for privacy hedges. During spring, it also produces clusters of small white flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Photinia prefers sunny locations and well-drained soil but adapts well to many garden conditions. Regular pruning encourages thicker growth, helping the plant form a solid green barrier. If you want a fence that provides both privacy and decorative appeal, red tip Photinia offers speed, color, and functionality all in one plant. 6. Cherry laurel is a powerful evergreen shrub known for its large glossy leaves and rapid growth. It quickly forms a dense hedge that works perfectly as a natural privacy fence. The thick foliage blocks visibility very effectively, even during winter months. One reason gardeners love cherry laurel is its adaptability. It grows well in both sun and shade and tolerates different soil conditions. This makes it a dependable option for areas where other plants struggle. In spring, cherry laurel produces small fragrant flowers that add seasonal interest to the garden. With occasional trimming, it becomes thicker and stronger each year. For anyone looking for a lush, low-maintenance green fence that grows quickly and stays attractive year-round, cherry laurel is an excellent choice. 7. Wax myrtle is a fast-growing shrub often used for natural privacy screens in warm regions. It grows quickly and develops multiple branches, forming a soft but dense green barrier. The leaves release a pleasant fragrance when touched, adding another sensory benefit to your garden. This plant also produces small berries that attract birds, making it perfect for wildlife-friendly landscapes. Wax myrtle adapts well to poor soils and even tolerates coastal conditions, including wind and salt exposure. Because of its rapid growth, light pruning helps maintain shape and encourage thicker coverage. Over time, wax myrtle creates a relaxed, natural-looking fence rather than a formal hedge. It's ideal for gardeners who want fast privacy with a more organic garden style. 8. Escallonia is a beautiful evergreen shrub that grows quickly while adding color to your garden fence. Unlike many privacy plants that focus only on greenery, Escallonia produces attractive pink, red, or white flowers during the growing season. The plant forms dense foliage that works well for blocking views while still looking decorative. It thrives in sunny locations and handles coastal winds better than many other shrubs. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth, allowing it to form a thick hedge over time. Escallonia is especially popular in decorative gardens where homeowners want both privacy and beauty. With proper care, it becomes a vibrant living fence that adds life and color instead of just acting as a barrier. 9. Topseed bush is a fast-growing plant often used in modern landscaping designs. Its narrow leaves and upright growth pattern create a clean and stylish green screen. It grows quickly and tolerates heat, wind, and dry conditions better than many traditional hedge plants. Because of its resilience, Topseed bush is ideal for areas with strong sunlight or challenging climates. The plant responds well to trimming, allowing you to shape it into a dense privacy wall. Its lightweight foliage also moves gently with the wind, giving gardens a calm and natural feel. Gardeners who want a low-maintenance yet fast-growing fence often choose Topseed bush because it combines durability with modern visual appeal. 10. Pyracantha firethorn, also called firethorn, is a unique choice for a green fence because it provides both privacy and security. This fast-growing shrub develops dense branches covered with sharp thorns, making it difficult for animals or intruders to pass through. During the growing season, it produces small white flowers followed by bright orange or red berries that last into winter. These berries attract birds and add seasonal beauty to your garden. Pyracantha can be trained along fences or grown as a thick hedge. With proper pruning, it quickly becomes dense and strong. If you want a natural barrier that protects your space while still looking colorful and lively, firethorn is an excellent option. 11. Hybrid willow is one of the fastest growing plants used for privacy fences and windbreaks. Under ideal conditions, it can grow 5 to 8 feet in a single year, making it incredibly effective for quick coverage. These trees grow tall and form a dense row when planted closely together. Their flexible branches also handle strong winds well, which makes them perfect for open landscapes. Hybrid willows prefer moist soil and full sunlight for best growth. Regular watering during early stages helps them establish quickly. Within just a few seasons, they can create a tall, natural wall that dramatically changes the look and comfort of your outdoor space. 12. Italian cypress offers a completely different style of living fence. Instead of growing wide, it grows tall and narrow, creating elegant vertical lines. This makes it perfect for small yards or tight spaces where width is limited. Although slender, these trees grow relatively fast and provide excellent height for privacy. Their evergreen foliage ensures year-round coverage, adding structure and sophistication to gardens. Italian cypress is commonly used in Mediterranean-style landscapes because of its clean and timeless appearance. It prefers sunny conditions and well-drained soil. When planted in rows, it creates a stylish green boundary that looks both modern and classic at the same time. 13. Viburnum is a versatile shrub that combines fast growth, dense foliage, and seasonal beauty. Many varieties grow quickly and form thick hedges ideal for privacy fences. The leaves grow closely together, creating a natural screen that blocks views effectively. In spring, viburnum produces clusters of fragrant flowers, followed by berries that attract birds and beneficial wildlife. This makes it not only functional but also environmentally friendly. Viburnum adapts well to different climates and soil conditions, making it suitable for many gardens. With occasional pruning, it becomes fuller and stronger each year. For gardeners who want a balance between privacy, flowers, and wildlife support, viburnum is one of the best all-around green fence options.